So 23 years ago, I warned why the biggest stock market crash in history is still coming. And we're in it right now. Now, for some people, that's bad news. But if you're a real investor, this crash could be the best opportunity you ever had.
The world didn't listen. Just like in 2000 and 2008, the warnings were clear, but few paid attention. Inflation was not transitory. Interest rate hikes, government overspending, and a bloated stock market painted a grim picture. Yet the masses continue to trust the system. Warren Buffett was right when he said, "When the tide goes out, you see who's been swimming naked." The 2025 crash didn't happen overnight. It started with debt. It ended with panic. But the smart ones, the prepared, used this chaos to create generational wealth. Wealth doesn't disappear in a crash. It transfers. While fear grips the average investor, the wealthy are shopping. Real estate prices plummet, stocks become bargain bin treasures, and businesses go up for sale. Crashes don't destroy opportunity. They amplify it. The poor panic. The middle class freezes. The rich strategize. I created the cash flow game to teach one key principle. That is, wealth is not built by working for money, but by making money work for you. Now, in 2025, that lesson is more important than ever. The wealthy are not relying on jobs. They're buying cash-flowing assets, real estate, dividend stocks, digital businesses, and commodities like gold and silver. In a crash, cash flow becomes king. The poor are crushed by debt. The rich use it as leverage. During this crash, interest rates are high, but that doesn't stop the wealthy. They use good debt to acquire discounted assets, lock in value, and generate passive income. Knowing the difference between good debt and bad debt is the difference between bankruptcy and legacy. Governments can print money. They can't print gold, and they definitely can't print Bitcoin. In 2025, trust in fiat currencies is eroding fast. The wealthy are moving into hard assets, gold, silver, Bitcoin, and other decentralized stores of value. If you want to protect your wealth and grow it, you need to understand the new money game. School teaches you to be an employee. Financial education teaches you to be free. Millionaires in 2025 aren't the ones with degrees. They're the ones with financial intelligence. They understand taxes, corporations, cash flow, and markets. The system was never built for your success, so you must build your own. The crash is here, but so is your chance. Start small, but start now. Read, study, buy your first asset, start that business. Stop waiting for someone to save you. Save yourself with knowledge and action. Robert Kiyosaki says, "Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow." The millionaires of tomorrow are being made right now. Robert Kiyosaki has spent decades warning about financial crashes, not to scare people, but to prepare them. If you understand the rules of the game, you can thrive, even in chaos. The 2025 crash isn't the end. It's your beginning. Thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel.
So this could be the best time for you to get rich. And some people like stocks. I really don't care for them. Right now, Warren Buffett is selling all of his stock, and he's going to cash. That should tell you something, because he's going to come back in and buy that stock back. So I just want to say this much. This Rich Dad's Prophecy came out in 2002, and it's why the biggest stock market crash is here now.